What's up, YouTube? We got a package from Amazon today, right here. So let's open it up and see what we're installing on our new BRZ. Right here we got the CarlinKit wireless CarPlay adapter. Got this off Amazon, and it was the best CarPlay adapter to make it from wired to wireless. So I'm just gonna open this up. I think I bought this one about 90 bucks to $100. I forget the price. It's a little bit expensive, but for the convenience, it might be worth it. So I'm not really sure it will work on the new BRZ, so we're gonna test this out for you guys. There goes the user manual. Car OEM wired CarPlay to wireless CarPlay. Yep, I can't read that. Oh, let me read this way. All right. We got the kit right here. The USB-C. This side will, I guess, plug into the USB in your car. This is the output to charge your phone. And here's the USB cable that comes with it. Right there. Yep, there's nothing else inside. So, yep, let's go and install this in my car. Okay, we're in my car now. For the main reason why I'm installing wireless CarPlay adapter is because I don't like this cable sticking out from here all the way to here where my phone will be mounted. It's just gonna be all over my dash. So we're gonna remove this. We're gonna put this in. Step 1. Connect the USB dongle to the car's USB port. Click search and turn on iPhone Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Okay. Guess we're plugging this in here. Now it will sit in the cup holder. Nice. Don't have that wire sticking out now. I can actually close my lid. Yep. And let's turn on the car. Yes. Okay, now we have to look for turn on the iPhone Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Okay, let's do that. And it says Click the iPhone Bluetooth signal appears on the car screen and pair. There you go. Use a Bluetooth connection or... Alright. It is... Oh, there it is. Right there. Use CarPlay. And, ooh. It's working, guys. Works, guys. Now we're fully wireless. Let's hope I don't get copyrighted. It's glowing green, so I'm guessing that means it's connected. And I can close this and put my phone. Wrap and dash. And there's no wire now. Simple. And I can confirm it works for the 2022 BRZ. And there will be a link in the description down below to this actual item on Amazon. So, and that's it, guys. Overall, it was an easy install. I would say the CarlinKit actually works for the 2022 BRZ. So if you guys want to pick this up, it will be a link in the description below. I mean, overall, I think the price is worth it for the convenience. It's a little bit expensive, but for the convenience, I think it's gonna be worth it in the long run. So thanks again, guys. Remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Peace.